my old phone. It cracked and shit, so I'm trying to put it on my new phone. That's why you see it's a little fucked up. Still me though. Kind of like this video, so you know I don't want to lose it. So I'm like re-recording it through a fucked up lens off of my laptop to my new phone. And I might upload it to y'all if I want. Property of me. The video, that is. The girl, she's on loan. And see, that's me, just to prove it to you.